Here's a few tips if you're making a lemon buttermilk cake. So a lot of neighbors have been giving me their lemons, which is great because I'm going to use them. We need to have the zest. Wait a minute. What's the matter with this? Why aren't I getting any zest from this? I know. The lemon is a little too ripe. So try to use a lemon that's not so ripe. You don't want to get the bottom feeder lemons. Cream per usual. And here's another tip. Try to weigh your measurements. It's always better, especially for baking. And wait a minute, where's the buttermilk? Here's a kitchen hack. Combine vinegar and whole milk, and now you've got buttermilk. Dry ingredients meet wet ingredients. And here's another tip. So if your batter is a little on the thick side as this is, just pound it before it gets in the oven. It'll work. Subscribe to Daphne Dishes again for more helpful hints.